Well, hi, I've popped in here. We're at Getaway Motorhomes. They have second-hand product here at the Covey show. I love this layout here, but I'm talking to Nathan here. Tell us about your business, Nathan.
Yeah, thanks, Robin. Our business has been established now just for 12 months, and it's about offering quality refurbished motorhomes and campervans, ex-rental vehicles, and they've been lovingly restored and refurbished. And you know, they're a quality vehicle that are then set up ready to go for the next lot of adventures.
So whereabouts are you guys based? You're in Auckland, I see. You're somewhere else as well?
Yeah, we're at Auckland near the airport, and also Christchurch near the airport. So we're open 7 days, and we always have a selection of vehicles that are on offer for sale, and we try to offer a variety of ages and kilometres to have a vehicle that suits everyone's budget.
We're looking at Mercedes-Benz Spaces. This one's they're starting from 89,000. What sort of Ks have they got on the clock?
Look, so the vehicles can range anywhere from about 170,000 Ks through to say 230,000 kilometres. But again, it's approaching us and letting us know what you're sort of looking for and what your budget is.
And you can find something that'll actually
we can have
suit.
stuff. And
at a price point that you suit too.
That's right.
So that's quite handy.
Yeah.
So 2017, 18, 19 and 20 models available now.
Yeah.
And you've got campervans as well, not just the big four and
that's right. We try to have something for everyone. So, the bigger motorhomes isn't, for everyone to drive on New Zealand's roads. So we also have a range of Fiat campervans now, again in different lengths as well, that are set up ready to go, and again to suit everyone's budgets.
Okay, cool. Well, that's great. Well, that's someone new you can look to if you're looking for a second-hand motorhome or campervan. Try talking to Nathan. He might have something that works for you.
Excellent. Thanks, Robert.
That was another great video from NZToday RV Travel Lifestyle magazine. Subscribe and follow our channel for more great videos. Follow us on Facebook. Thanks for your support.